Hi friends, welcome back to Azif Creation again. Ramadan Kareem to everyone. So today in this video, we'll see how to make Moong Dal Vada using simple steps. So let's get started.
We'll make Moong Dal Vada today. So we need Moong Dal which is soaked for 5 hours, a cup of chopped onions, some curry leaves and coriander leaves, fennel seeds, green chilies and some ginger, rice flour and gram flour. So now in a blender add the soaked moong dal, the fennel seeds, ginger and the green chilies and grind it into a paste. Don't grind it into a paste, it should be like this. So now in a mixing bowl add rice flour, gram flour, chopped onions, a cup of chopped onions, and our curry leaves and coriander leaves. Now add salt according to your taste. Now mix it into a nice mixture like this. Now in a plate, take a plate and make balls and keep them in the plate. Make balls, nice balls. So that's it, it's done. Now we'll have to deep fry them on high flame. So guys, it's ready. Thank you for watching this video.
So guys, hope you like this recipe. Please do try this at home and let me know the feedback in the comments below. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Bye.